Hey guys, this is Steven Smith with MarineMax here in Houston, coming to you with a 2018 Harris 220 Sunliner in the really popular fishing cruise configuration. Really just does all the things that you want out of a family fishing boat and the fishing aspect all in one boat. At the front, you'll notice they put the half door here so you can have a trolling motor. It's pre-wired so you can just mount it up and have it there. There's a live well built in underneath of this seat that also doubles as a cooler. You could throw some drinks in there and stuff. Of course, you know, just like Harris, storage underneath all these seats, they're all hinged. Another nice feature about this boat is this ski locker here in the center. Really deep, big ski locker, perfect for tubes, skis, ropes, extra life jackets, whatever it may be. As we move to the helm, this boat's equipped with a Simrad multifunction 5-inch display, good for fish finder, chart plotter, some other nice features there, as well as a depth finder. Your nice traditional Harris gauges and things like that, very well appointed, tilt steering, and a flip up bolstered seat for the captain's chair. At the back of the boat is where the fishing aspect of this boat comes in. You've got a bench seat here for some extra seating and two large fishing chairs that have been upgraded to the Ultralux high back seats. And then you have a workstation here for fishing at the back with some rod holders. You've got a fish measuring tape here. You've got a live well built into the center, as well as the changing room, which is underneath of this here that folds up, and two walk-through doors, so you have plenty of access to the back of the boat with the deck extension for fishing, hanging out with the family. It's already got the ski tow bar on it, so you could do tubing, you could maybe wakeboard with it. Powered by Mercury, 150 horsepower, plenty of motor for this boat, and really just enjoy the pontoon life and being able to fish and have fun with the family. Again, come see us today at MarineMax Houston. This is a 2018 Harris 220 Sunliner.